Hello everyone, welcome to Rishi Explain and Review. And today we are reviewing the much awaited movie based on Paramveer Chakra, Captain Vikram Batra, our national hero and pride of our country. He is known for his action during the 1999 Kargil War. He led one of the toughest operations in mountain warfare in Indian history and better known as Sher Shah. First time when I saw the trailer of Sher Shah, I was so excited and can't believe that Siddharth Malhotra is doing these kind of films. Because he has been an unused actor for a while. उनकी कुछ old फिल्में अगर आप देखोगे then you realize Siddharth tries very hard to impress audience, but he just can't. He was not getting or given a chance to play memorable and strong characters. Expect एक villain and हंसी तो फंसी. But everyone's perception is going to be wrong for Siddharth Malhotra after they watch Sher Shah. In fact, I like his performance so much that I upload a story on my Instagram appreciating his work. Link in description, go and check. It's been a long time after Uri I watched such an amazing, very well written biopic of our nation pride Mr. Vikram Batra. Such mate feels really good that our country is making and casting such really talented peoples to make these kind of epic story of our heroes in a real and authentic manner and completely avoiding such bullshit like Zalima Coke Pilade in a fucking war movie. That's how it makes a huge difference between Bhuj and Sher Shah. Now let's talk about plot. Movie starts with the ending. It goes to past as we see the child Vikram Batra and his twin Vishal Batra having dreams to become an army officer. It took 23 years for Vikram to achieve his dream, and he was first posted to Sopore as lieutenant in 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. And we get to see some old memories of his college days where he met this beautiful girl Dimple, played by Kiara Advani. Love story of Vikram Batra and his dedication towards his work, and how he wins the toughest operations in mountain warfare in Indian history. 1999 Kargil War against Pakistan is the basic premise of this movie. Casting of Sher Shah was really good. Some supporting actors will really going to win your heart. Shiv Pandit as Lieutenant Sanjeev Jamwal, senior of Vikram and only 6 months bigger than Vikram, shares some great bonding and friendship that is truly convincing, and Shiv portrays the authentic body language and dialogue in a very believable way. Sahil Vaid as Sunny, childhood friend of Vikram, who is also very supportive towards Vikram. In fact, he was the only one who motivated to join Indian Army and follow his dream. Because Vikram thought that if I join Navy, then Dimple father will easily agrees for their marriage. लेकिन सनी विक्रम से एक बात कहता है कि जो तू प्यार के चक्कर में सेक्रीफाइस करने की सोच रहा है वो तुझे बहुत भारी पड़ेगा आगे चलकर. आदमी मर जाता है अंदर ही अंदर, और मरा हुआ इंसान ना तो खुद खुश रह पाता है और ना ही अपने को रख पाता है. Very well said by Sahil Vaid as Sunny. Talking about casting, I think Kiara has done also a praiseworthy job as a love interest of Vikram. They both share really romantic moments in the movie, which feels very beautiful. Abhiroy Singh as Major Subrata, Raj Arjun as Raghunath, Shataf Figar as Lieutenant YK Joshi. They have also done a commendable job. Accent issue and unwanted scenes. The most and only problematic thing in the movie was the Punjabi accent and an unwanted scene for me. Siddharth and Kiara Punjabi accent was like कि कोई हिंदी बोलने वाले बंदे से आप पंजाबी बुलवाओ, वो क्या बोलेगा. अन्नू कुछ गल्ला करनी सी, let's take a walk, 10 केड़ी गल करनी सी. These are some examples that both say in a very not so convincing accent. That could have been easily better. And second thing, there's one scene in movie where Vikram is going back to war and Dimple hug him very tightly. Vikram से सिख रिवाज में तो हमने शादी कर ली, अब हिंदू रिवाज से भी करेंगे. उसके बाद वो एक ब्लेड जैसी कोई नुकीली चीज़ निकालता है and he cuts his thumb a little bit और उस खून से डिम्पल की मांग भर देता है. And I was like, ये दिखाने की क्या ज़रूरत थी. I personally feel वो सीन बहुत unnecessary था और थोड़ा problematic भी, in my opinion. Action scenes and VFX. Also, one of the most highlighted part of the movie is no doubt the action sequence. The way that is directed, explosions, missile coming from air, gun holding techniques, and the impact that feel every time when explosions happen is truly very well made and looks visually appealing and very real to watch sometimes. You can feel the bullets when it hit the soldier. Just hats off to the VFX team and action department. They truly deserve a recognition. Music and background score. How can I not talk about Sher Shah music? Truly मिमी के बाद किसी फिल्म के म्यूज़िक ने अगर मुझे इतना इम्प्रेस किया है तो वो है शेर शाह. Rata Lamia, sung by Jubin Nautiyal and Aziz Kaur, perfectly showcased the first love moment. Second, Ranjha, sung by B. Prak and Jaslyn Royal, is truly impressive, and it feels कि ये गाने सिर्फ इसी मूवी के लिए बने हैं. And the last song that you're going to listen in climax is going to make you completely emotional, and मैंने बी प्राक का वो गाना बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. विजुअल्स के साथ वो सॉन्ग इतना इमोशनल कर गया मुझे, and that scene especially I have watched almost 4 to 5 times. I can't reveal the song name, that my friend you have to experience it. और अगर नहीं रोए तो डोंट कॉल योरसेल्फ इंडियन. है ना, बहुत बड़ा स्टेटमेंट बोल दिया मैंने, बट आई मीन इट. Minor details and fact check. Shersha is a very well researched movie, and director Vishnu Vardhan has focused into every small details possible to look real and don't make it as a fiction hero or anything like that. Details like Vikram Batra victory call Dil Mange More, Sanjeev Jamwal Oh Yeah Yeah, and an interview of Vikram Batra perfectly recreated in movie. The love story of Vikram and Dimple Chima was actually kind of filmy in those days. That's why when you see their chemistry on screen, you'll feel that that's too cliche. But if you watch this interview of Dimple Chima, you know that every scene that is being shown in the movie is real, and Dimple is not married yet. She's still unmarried and teaching kids as a teacher. It is truly unbelievable to watch these kind of passionate love story in these days. It actually feels कि ये सब कहाँ होता है, but it happens with Mr. Vikram Batra and Dimple Chima. Siddharth Malhotra, man, this guy truly impressed as Vikram Batra. Hands down, this is going to be remembered as an iconic performance of Siddharth Malhotra. Siddharth perfectly adapted the tone, body language, dialogue delivery, and the chemistry he shares with his friend and his love interest Dimple, played by Kiara Advani, is truly impressive. I will highly recommend everyone to watch this movie with your friends and family at this Independence Day and celebrate the story of Captain Vikram Batra. That's it for this video. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook for latest update, and share this video as much as you can. And if you've not yet subscribed this channel, then do it. Comment down your thought of this movie. I would really love to read them. Till then, bye bye.